I understand. He's extremely cool.
But do you think it's true? All those terrible things people say about him.
No. No, not Spider-Man. Not a chance in the world. I sort of know him a little bit. I'm kind of his unofficial photographer.
Has he mentioned me?
Yeah.
What did he say?
I said, oh, he asked me what I thought about you.
What did you say?
I said, Spider-Man? I said, the great thing about MJ is when you're looking into her eyes and she's looking back at yours, things don't feel quite normal because you feel stronger and weaker at the same time. You feel excited and at the same time terrified. The fact is, you don't know what you feel, except you know the kind of man you want to be. It's as if you've reached the unreachable and you weren't ready for it.
You said that?
Yeah, something like that.
If you had a tattoo, that wouldn't matter. If you had a shaved head, that would be cool. If you came from Spain or Japan or the back of a van, just as long as you're not from Hebrew school. I said, man, I'm getting somewhere. I'm finally breaking through. I said, hey, hey, chicks and guys, I've been waiting for someone like you.
If a good man comes to me and says, oh, thank you, Nick, for the opportunity and continued support in the work-related arena, but I've done that, I want to better myself, I want to move on, then I can make that dream come true for you. The point is, you talk the talk, you don't walk the walk, aka you have not passed your forklift driver's test. Now, the man who gives the test in the warehouse is a personal friend of mine. I know you're the man for the job. Sammy, you old slacker. It's the Nick Meister General. Yeah. Have you advertised for the forklift driver's job? You haven't. Don't bother. I've got the man right here. He's perfect. Yeah. Has he passed his forklift driver's test? He gives the test. Yeah. Yeah, he's first aid trained. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we'll type you up a CV and get it to you right away. All right. So I'm going to send you this Sunday for my sins. How is Irene? Has she left you yet? All right. See you then. She has left him. Forgot about that.